ulam for today. Yan ang ating ulam for today. Luto po tayo ng ulam for today. Yan guys. Ating lulutuin ngayon. Ayan guys. Simpleng ulam for today. Guys, ating ulam. Sarap. Yummy, yummy. Ulam natin for today. Sinong kumain dyan ng ating ulam ngayon? Ulam for today. Yummy, yummy. Ng sibuyas. Ayan guys. Ating ulam. Ulam ngayon for today. Ulam ngayon for today. Yan ang ating ulam. Sarap. Guys, tiplahan na natin. Tiplahan na natin guys. At lagyan natin ng seasoning para mas lalong masarap ang ating ulam for today. Kunting asin. And guys, kunting asin lang guys para wag masyadong maalat ang ating ulam for today. Tikman na natin guys ang ating ulam. Yan ang ating ulam guys. Ating ulam for today. Tikman natin. Yan guys. Yummy. Sarap. Thank you for watching.